Yes, friends, we have started with illustration number 3 and we have discussed how to do this particular sum. So today, friends, we are going to solve this particular sum. Okay, so let's see the first one, adjustments. So what are the adjustments, friends? Interest on capital and interest on drawing. So no need of tick mark. Closing stock 15,000, market value is 12,000. Market value is 12,000. We have to take the less value, that is 12,000, right? Outstanding stationery expense rupees 500. So we have to tick mark on which point, friends? Stationery expenses, right? Prepaid wages. They are saying about prepaid wages. So let's see wages. Yes, prepaid wages. Next adjustment. And then comes they are saying that rent received in advance. So rent and discount. So 2 points are there, rent and discount. So let's see. Rent received in advance, this one, and discount received. Both we have get. Okay, rent and discount. Now comes debtors write off 1,000 as bad debt, provide 5% BDR and discount reserve on debtors. So 3 points are there for debtors we have to do. So let's see debtors are there. So here you can see customers. So first tick mark is for bad debt. Second is for bad debt reserve. Right, there's one. First is for bad debt. Second is for bad debt reserve. And third is for discount reserve on debtors. So friends, 3 tick marks. Right? Then comes goods provide 10% depreciation on motor car. I can see here depreciation on motor car. Goods worth rupees 2,000 destroyed by fire. An insurance company has admitted a claim of 80%. So insurance company, that is a different point. Only we have to deduct from purchases, because from purchases we have to deduct some purchases, right? Then comes the last one is the point is of commission, that we cannot do right now anything. So let's start our sum. So we are starting with the sum. Capital. Where we have to go? Capital. We have to go to partners capital credit side. Right. Go to partners capital credit side. Partners capital credit side. By what we have to write on credit side? By balance brought forward. By balance brought forward. We get this 50,000 and 40,000. After getting the balance, what is the next point now? After getting the balance, what is the next point? Suppliers. So where we have to write suppliers? Supplier comes in balance sheet. In balance sheet, we have to prepare some particular columns. So what are the columns are there? The first column is of capital. Then give the heading non-current liabilities, and then comes the topic current liabilities. In that, the first is bank overdraft. After bank overdraft, which is the next point that we can see? We can see is that goods return. So which return it is? It is credit side, that is a purchase return. So go to purchases, there we have to write to purchases minus purchase return, minus purchase return 2008. After that, sales also we have done, goods return we have done, rent risk. I think we are left with sales. Okay. Sales we have to write in trading account credit side. Trading account credit side 2,04,000. After getting the sales, we can say bills payable. Where we have to write bills payable? That we have to write in liability side. On which heading? Current liabilities, bills payable. Clear? After bills payable, let's see the next one. Right. Bills payable, interest on investment. Now, what is interest on investment? It's an income. Right. It's an income for the firm. And you can see here 6% investment is mentioned to us. So take the calcium. 10,000 6%, and it's for the whole year. So we get how much? 600. And here they are mentioning how much? 300. So it's outstanding. We are left with 300. So it comes to profit and loss appropriation. Interest on investment 300 plus outstanding 300. So total comes to 600. Now 300 we have addition plus same side. So plus same side. Balance sheet asset side in receivable interest on investment. Okay. After that, friends, interest we have completed. Then comes bank overdraft that we already done. Goods return already we done. Rent received and discount received. Both are the incomes. That's why we have to go to profit and loss. Profit and loss by rent received, by discount received. Right? One tick, we know how many lines. One line we have to. After that, bad debt reserve. For that, we have to prepare a specimen. We have to prepare a specimen. Bad debt. Bad debt old, bad debt new, bad debt reserve new, bad debt reserve old. Right? This bad debt reserve old, 2000. After that, goods withdrawn for personal use. We have to withdraw the goods for personal use. So come to trading account, that we have to minus it. Minus goods withdrawn for personal use, 740. Right. Then comes, after goods withdrawn for personal use, outstanding wages. Outstanding wages, that means we are left with the outstanding wages. That is our liability. Outstanding wages, it's our liability that we have to write on liability side. After outstanding wages, I think we have completed with, friends, credit side. Now we have to move towards the debit side. So let's see, drawings. Drawings we have to move to partners capital account debit side. Partners capital account debit side. Two drawings. Partners capital account debit side. Two drawings. Then comes opening stock. Opening stock, friends, where trading account debit side. Opening stock. Then come, after opening stock, we know customers are there. Customers where we have to move in asset. In asset, which heading? Current asset. In current asset, we have to move customers. And you know that 3 points are there. So we have to leave how many lines? 5 lines. We have to leave 5 lines for it. Okay. So after customers, the main point is the customers. And after that, you can see that we are coming towards the topic purchases. Purchases we have to do, we know trading account debit side. So already purchases is there 13800 minus purchase return 2800, and we get this particular answer 128000 minus goods withdrawn for personal use 1050, we get 127260. Up to here, you should get the answer. Okay, 12726. Then, friends, we can see the topic. After customers, we can see its purchase over wages. Wages we have to do trading account debit side. Two wages, trading account debit side. After wages, we know it's bill receivable. Bill receivable is an asset where we have to write current asset. Bill receivable, current asset. 6% investment. 6% investment. It's an asset. So on asset side, we can do it's 6% investment. 10,000. Okay. 6% investment asset. Then comes salary. Salary, profit and loss, debit side. Which heading? Administrative expenses. Cash balance. Cash balance, asset. Okay, no need to show it, you know that. Asset, current asset. Discount allowed. Discount allowed. Selling and distribution expense. We get this salary. You remember salary. Discount allowed. That also we have done. After that discount, you can see goods return. Goods return. Right. Where is return? Sales return. Debit is given. That's debit. Sales return. After that sales return, we comes to you bad debt, that is profit and loss, stationery expense, profit and loss, office expense, profit and loss, stationery expense, profit and loss, office expense, profit and loss, bad debt also profit and loss. After that, you can see that we can having a motor car. Motor car where we have to take on asset side. Motor car comes to asset side. Building comes to asset side. Prepaid office expenses. Prepaid also comes to which side, friends? Asset side. Now comes the adjustment. Just complete up to here. You can see the sum. Adjustment. Interest at 5% on capital. So we have to give interest to partners. So profit and loss appropriation debit side to interest on capital. Partners Yash and Jash, right? And how much they are saying? How much percentage? It's for 5%. So we have to calculate and give. It comes to how much? 2500 and 2000. So total comes to 4500 interest on capital. After writing this, we have to transfer it to the credit side by interest on capital. That is 2500 and 2000. Interest on capital, interest on drawing. Now, opposite of that, interest on drawing. So now P&L appropriation credit side by interest on drawing. 400 and 200 total comes to 600. That we have to transfer to partners capital account debit side to interest on drawing. 400, 200. After completing that interest on drawing for 6 months, it is closing stock is 12,000. So two sides. One is trading account credit side, closing stock, and one comes to balance sheet asset, that is current asset. Closing stock, it's not, yes, here they are saying closing stock 12,000. Okay. After closing stock, we come to the point outstanding stationery account. Right? It's very difficult to solve such type of big sums in the small scale. Right? So lot of efforts we have here doing for that. Outstanding stationery expense 500. So stationery expense, we know that here we have to do that, we have to add 500, and that stationery expense will come plus same side, plus same side, that is liability side. Then comes the topic prepaid wages. Prepaid wages we have to deduct from wages minus, and that minus opposite side goes to asset side, that is prepaid wages. Prepaid wages. And after that, we can see that rent received in advance. We are receiving the rent in advance. So go to rent minus received in advance 200, minus received in advance 200, and that minus opposite side now goes to liability, rent received in advance 200. Then comes discount receivable 40. Discount receivable So plus outstanding 40 plus same side becomes to liability assets discount received plus करोगे तो same side. Then comes the topic debtors 1000 bad debt है, provide 5% BDR and 2% discount reserve on debtors. तो debtors में से तीनों चीजों को क्या करना है, माइनस करना है. So come to debtors, we are going to debtors topic. वहां से हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस बैड डेट कैलकुलेशन, माइनस बैड डेट रिजर्व, माइनस डिस्काउंट, राइट. अब ये तीनों आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस ऑल दिस थिंग, right, we have to transfer it to profit and loss debit side. Profit and loss के debit, bad debt new, bad debt reserve new, और साथ में डिस्काउंट रिजर्व ऑन डेटर्स एडजस्टमेंट, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, चलो. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, प्रोवाइड 10% डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन मोटर कार. मोटर कार पे 10% डेप्रिसिएशन. तो कहाँ मिलेगा आपको मोटर कार? यस, एसेट में मिलेगा. तो कम टू एसेट मोटर कार, उस पे डेप्रिसिएशन माइनस करेंगे 5200, तो आ जाएगा 46800. तो अब ये माइनस करेंगे, ट्रांसफर करेंगे. डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन मोटर कार हाउ मच, 5200. After depreciation on motor car, we have to do goods of 2000 destroyed by fire. Insurance company admitted a claim of 80%. तो 2000 का सामान आपका जा रहा है 2000. So 2000 हम यहाँ से अब माइनस करेंगे. Goods destroyed by fire 2000. So our router figure comes to 125260. Now what happened friends, एक बार ये माइनस हो जाता है, गुड्स गया आपके पास, तो लॉस भी तो होगा. 80% कौन दे रहा है? गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग और इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज. तो लॉस ड्यू टू फायर, लॉस में कितना जाएगा 400, और 1600 रुपए का कौन भरपाई करेंगे? इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. दैट्स व्हाई इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कहाँ जाएगा? एसेट में 1600. ये कम से कम आपको 2-3 बार देखना पड़ेगा, तभी ये क्लियर होगा. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. 10% कमीशन इज पेएबल टू यश फ्रॉम प्रॉफिट. इसके लिए हमें सम सॉल्व करना. लास्ट पॉइंट में आ गए. चलो ट्रेडिंग का टोटल करो, इट कम्स टू यू 213600. यही टोटल सामने भी आएगा 213600, और प्लस माइनस करने के बाद आंसर आएगा 62740. 62740. चलो अब ये होने के बाद आप इसे ट्रांसफर करेंगे. बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट के नाम पे हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे. फिर हम वापस सेम प्रोसीजर अपनाएंगे. दैट इज द टोटल. टोटल है 64180. चलो करो यहाँ तक 64180. ओके, टोटल होने के बाद सब कुछ प्लस माइनस होने के बाद डेबिट में आएगा 40248. 40248. अब यहां से फिर से ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन के क्रेडिट साइड, और इसका टोटल आएगा आपका 40848. फिर से आएगा 40848. फिर माइनस करेंगे तो गैप आएगा 33044. राइट, और हमारा बचा हुआ प्रॉफिट यश और जश को देंगे 16522. 16522. अब उससे पहले कमीशन देंगे 1 मिनट. सॉरी, ये आपका बचेगा. इससे पहले, ये आने से पहले आपका ये अमाउंट आएगा 36348. उसका 10% कमीशन आफ्टर डिडक्शन जब भूला जाता है तो डिनोमिनेटर में कितना आएगा? 100 प्लस कमीशन, यानी कितना आया? 110. याद रखना 110. तो 36348 into 10 divided by 110, 110. तो 3304.36. तो राउंड फिगर हम लेंगे 3304. तो 33044 बचेगा. अभी कितने पैसे पड़े? और कौन से रेशियो में, इक्वल, तो 16522 16522। इसे ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम यहाँ पे 16522 165, इसका टोटल आ जाएगा 69022 6.88, यही टोटल सामने लिखेंगे और बैलेंस कुछ ऐसे आना चाहिए 6062 57626। हुआ सबका? यहाँ तक करो आराम से। चलो इसके बाद ये बैलेंस शीट में लेके जाएंगे। बैलेंस शीट के लायबिलिटीज में 60622 57626 और इसका टोटल दे देंगे आपको 118248। ये आपका टोटल आ जाएगा 118248 ये टोटल, और इसी के साथ हमारा बैलेंस शीट का टोटल हो जाएगा 168108 168108, राइट। तो ये सम जो था थोड़ा इजी था, राइट। इसे आप अगर बराबर 2 टाइम प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हो तो बहुत सारी चीजें आपको आसान हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो एक बार रिवीजन कर लेते हैं वापस, कौन सी चीज कहाँ रखना है, उसी के ऊपर पूरा टॉपिक होता है ये। बोलो कैपिटल, कैपिटल के क्रेडिट, सप्लायर कहाँ जाएगा, क्रेडिटर्स मतलब लायबिलिटी, सेल्स कहाँ जाएगा, गुड्स से, ट्रेडिंग, बिल्स पेएबल कहाँ जाएगा, लायबिलिटी, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ जाएगा, इनकम, पीएनएल के क्रेडिट, बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट कहाँ जाएगा, लायबिलिटी, गुड्स रिटर्न कहाँ जाएगा, गुड्स रिटर्न, ट्रेडिंग के ट्रेड में दिया है ना, परचेज रिटर्न, रेंट रिसीव्ड इनकम है, डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड इनकम है, बराबर। बैड डेट रिजर्व, बैड डेट रिजर्व कहाँ जाएगा, पीएनएल में। गुड्स विड्रॉन फॉर पर्सनल यूज ये कहाँ जाएगा, बोलो, परचेज में से माइनस। आउटस्टैंडिंग वेजेस, लायबिलिटी। ड्रॉइंग्स में देखो, डेबिट में आएगा ड्रॉइंग्स, ओपनिंग स्टॉक डेबिट, ट्रेडिंग डेबिट, कस्टमर एसेट, परचेज ट्रेडिंग डेबिट, वेजेस डेबिट, परचेज ट्रेडिंग डेबिट, बिल रिसीवेबल कहाँ जाएगा, बैलेंस शीट के एसेट, 6% इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ जाएगा, एसेट, सैलरी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, कैश बैलेंस एसेट, डिस्काउंट अलाउड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, गुड्स रिटर्न sales return, bad debt, profit and loss, stationery expense, profit and loss, office expense, profit and loss, motor car asset, building asset, prepaid office expense, ये भी कहाँ जाएगा, asset, adjustment, interest on capital, यहाँ appropriation के डेबिट में, interest on drawing पे appropriation के क्रेडिट में, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक आपको पता ही है। आउटस्टैंडिंग स्टेशनरी एक्सपेंस, स्टेशनरी में प्लस और प्लस प्लस सेम सेट, प्रीपेड वेजेस, वेजेस में से क्या करेंगे, माइनस, रेंट रिसीव एडवांस, एडवांस में रेंट में से क्या करेंगे, माइनस, रिसीवेबल प्लस, डेटर्स में बैड डेट का पॉइंट आप जानते हो, राइट। 10% कमीशन 2 इयर्स, उसमें 110, ठीक है। तो फ्रेंड्स ये आपको करना है अच्छी तरीके से 2 टाइम, ठीक है। थैंक यू।